Wagwan everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do two bun hairstyles for 4C hair. Now what I did earlier was to put my hair in braids so that I could stretch it and that I don't have to use heat. This is also a simple hairstyle for everyday short hair for school. So if you're running to class and you're like wondering what you're gonna do to your hair, this is like this is my go-to actually to put my hair in space buns so that I could be on my way. I'm using my white tooth comb to detangle my hair a little bit further, even though I had braided it earlier, which helped with the detangling actually. I'm just detangling it some more to make sure that my hair is properly laid, and I'm using a coarse brush as well. My Cream of Nature edge control is the one that I'm using right now to put my adult hairs into submission, and then this little itty bitty comb or brush for my edges that I got from the beauty supply store. It's only $4, so, and it works well too. You can get you one. I'm not going to tuck my hair too much away because I want that volume to make my puff a little bit more fuller. This will allow me to use less crochet braids. I am going to use the sensational Rumba Twist, and I got this from my local beauty supply store for around $5.99 if I'm not mistaken. I will leave a link of the hair in the description bar below. So I'm latching the hair in between my puffs in the front as well as the back. And I'm just using half the amount of one pack on one side and the next half for the other side. And then I'm just going to continuously unravel them for a little bit more volume. Your girl is going hard for you to put out these content, so don't forget to show her some love by subscribing down below and to just hit that bell right beside it. And don't forget to share with your friends and so that they could enjoy the video as well. You don't want to keep it to yourself.